Welcome to Miss Halsey's kindergarten class, Unit 1 Farm Life Preview. In this unit, we'll cover these standards. We will use observations to describe patterns of what plants and animals need to survive, physical and behavioral traits of living things, and we'll recognize common types of texts, storybooks, and poems. And we'll actively engage in group reading activities with purpose and understanding. We're going to find out what animals live on farms. We will explore what farm life is like for the farmer. We'll find out the foods that we eat that come from farms. And we'll also learn what food the animals on the farm eat. We will study how to use animals on the farm and what products we use every day from farm animals. We will read books from our farm animal text set. Then we'll go and visit a real-life farm. We will pet the animals and feel their wool, fur, and feathers. We will also meet a real-life farmer. We will ask the farmer many questions using the terms and knowledge that we already know. We will write our own story about our favorite farm animals using My Storybook online. We will also make a graphic organizer like this one to categorize and describe different aspects of farm life. Lastly, we will make farm animal snacks and watch the movie Charlotte's Web. Are you excited for our farm life unit?